We will cook chicken pieces in creamy paprika sauce. You will need chicken, an onion, salt and pepper, paprika, flour, double cream, and butter. Start by frying the chicken pieces briefly in butter. We are using 250 grams of mini chicken fillets, but you could use any other chicken cuts. Once the surface looks cooked, remove the chicken from the pan and keep it warm. Peel and dice an onion and fry it gently in the remaining butter until the onion softens. Next, we will add spices. Stir in plenty of paprika, 1 to 2 tablespoons. Then, add half a teaspoon of ground black pepper and half a teaspoon of sea salt. Cover the spices in boiling water. Add enough water to cover the mixture, but not much more. Add 2 tablespoons of plain flour. Use a hand blender to make the sauce smooth. Then, add the chicken back to the pan, cover the pan with a lid, and simmer for 15 minutes. Stir in 2 tablespoons of double cream before serving the chicken. You can serve the chicken in paprika sauce with dumplings or with pasta.